What happens when software updates come 5 times faster, but quality checks stay the same? Teams now ship dozens of changes every week, yet only a fraction get properly tested. That growing gap between speed and quality is exactly where Auto QA comes in. Earlier, software creation had clear limits because developers wrote code manually and every change took time. Testing moved slowly, releases followed long schedules, and QA teams had enough space to review things carefully. That balance worked when software moved at a steady pace. Today, that balance no longer exists. AI-powered coding tools help teams build features much faster than before. Fixes that once took days now take hours, sometimes less. Trying new ideas feels cheap, and rewriting old code no longer feels risky. When building becomes easy, the real challenge shifts. The hardest part now is knowing whether the software actually works as expected. When updates happen frequently, mistakes also happen frequently. Small issues slip through, edge cases are missed, and assumptions go unchecked. Most teams still rely on testing methods built for slower development cycles. Those methods struggle when software keeps changing every few days. Manual QA finds it hard to keep up with constant updates. The volume of change grows faster than the ability to verify it. This creates risk that builds quietly over time. Auto QA becomes important at this stage because it is designed to match the speed of modern development instead of slowing it down. Auto QA is not just automated testing in the traditional sense. It is not limited to running scripts or checking expected results. Auto QA focuses on outcomes, not just tasks. Instead of asking whether a feature works once, it asks whether the feature can survive real usage. That shift matters more than it sounds. Auto QA behaves less like a checklist and more like a serious tester. It pushes the product, explores unusual paths, and looks for pressure points. The goal is not surface-level validation, but real confidence in the software. Many testing tools focus only on ideal situations where everything goes right. Click here, enter valid data, and expect success. Those tests pass, and everything looks fine on paper. Real users do not behave that way. They click fast, enter wrong data, refresh pages at bad moments, and use slow networks or older devices. Real QA does not trust perfect behavior. Auto QA is built with that mindset. It does not stop after confirming expected flows. It continues exploring until weak points appear. That depth is what modern software needs. Software today is never truly finished. Apps keep evolving as new features and fixes are added constantly. Testing only before release is no longer enough. Auto QA works continuously, running checks at regular intervals instead of waiting for problems to appear. This is especially useful for apps built with AI assistance, where development speed is extremely high. Many of these apps grow quickly, but lack strong QA discipline. Auto QA acts as a safety layer that protects quality as the product evolves. Without it, quality slowly degrades over time without anyone noticing. Bugs have always existed, and that is normal in software development. The real problem is how expensive bugs have become. When software serves real users at scale, even small issues cause serious damage. A pricing issue affects revenue instantly. An onboarding problem affects growth. A broken form affects leads. These issues move fast and hit hard. Auto QA reduces this risk by catching problems before users encounter them. Early detection changes the cost equation completely. Fixing issues early is cheaper, safer, and less damaging than reacting after release. Most teams do a decent job testing their core product features. Dashboards, workflows, and logic usually receive attention. Growth, however, is often decided outside the core product. Landing pages create first impressions. Onboarding drives retention. Pricing builds trust, and forms convert demand into revenue. These areas look simple, so they are tested less. That is where silent losses happen. Auto QA treats these surfaces seriously. It checks them with the same focus as core features. Many companies lose users without knowing why, and Auto QA helps uncover those hidden problems. Developers understand how the system works because they built it. Users do not have that context. They misunderstand steps, skip instructions, and make assumptions. They also come from different regions, devices, and environments. Good QA means testing from those perspectives. Auto QA is designed to shift roles, behaving like new users or experienced ones when needed. It tests from different conditions instead of a single controlled setup. Many issues only appear outside the development environment. That is why testing must adapt to real behavior. If users act differently, testing must too.
Modern software is global by default. Different languages, layouts, and expectations come into play. Something that looks fine in one region may break in another. Layouts can stretch, translations can overflow, and formats can confuse users. These issues are often invisible during local testing. Auto QA helps catch them early, before users become the detection system. Preventing these problems protects both user experience and brand trust. Global reach without global QA creates silent damage. Auto QA closes that gap by testing beyond local assumptions. Traditional QA tools generate reports with pass or fail results. Green or red indicators show surface-level status. Auto QA focuses on confidence instead of numbers. It highlights risk, exposes fragile areas, and helps teams understand whether something is truly ready to ship. This changes how QA supports decisions. The goal is not perfect software, but predictable and reliable software. Confidence allows teams to move fast without fear. That mindset makes QA a strategic function rather than a final checkpoint. QA requires constant attention, constant suspicion, and constant role switching. Humans naturally get tired, and focus drops over time. AI does not face that limitation. Auto QA can test continuously without fatigue, repeating scenarios endlessly and switching perspectives instantly. This makes AI a strong partner for QA work. It does not replace humans, but extends their capacity. Humans provide judgment and priorities, while Auto QA handles execution at scale. That combination is what makes modern QA sustainable. Software teams are changing rapidly. AI now handles a large part of execution, while humans focus on direction and judgment. This hybrid model is becoming the norm. AI builds code, AI tests code, and humans oversee quality and strategy. One truth stands out in this shift. When everyone can build fast, speed loses its value. Trust becomes the real advantage. Teams that can ship reliably stand out more than teams that ship quickly. Auto QA plays a key role in building that trust. Auto QA allows teams to move fast without losing control. It reduces surprises after release and catches issues early. Confident shipping becomes possible even at high speed. In competitive markets, reliability builds loyalty. Users remember products that work consistently. Auto QA protects that stability as development accelerates. That makes it more than a tool. It becomes part of how teams compete and win. Auto QA represents a broader shift in how software is built. AI makes building software easy and fast. Auto QA works to make trusting software easy. When both scale together, teams no longer have to choose between speed and safety. This balance reshapes product development and release cycles. Quality stops being a bottleneck and starts becoming an advantage. Software is no longer limited by how fast it can be built. It is limited by how safely it can be shipped. Auto QA exists to solve that problem. By automating not just tests, but QA thinking itself, it helps teams stay reliable while moving quickly. The real question is not whether Auto QA is useful. The real question is whether fast software can survive without it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.